You think this is what they wanted, huh? To see you on your knees, broken, crawling like a dog begging for scraps. Nah, they never thought you'd even make it this far. You weren't supposed to survive. Hell, you were supposed to crumble, to fold under the weight of their expectations and the burdens they placed on you. That's what they do. They underestimate you, they misjudge your strength, and they hope you'll falter. But here you are, standing tall, walking away stronger, and proving them all wrong. Every single challenge you face was designed to make you give in. Every sneer, every whisper, every time someone told you that you weren't enough, that you wouldn't amount to anything, they wanted you to believe it. They wanted to see you fail. They wanted you to beg for their validation, for their approval, for a scrap of recognition that you're worth something. But deep down, you knew that you were meant for more than their narrow view of your potential. You felt it in your bones, in the very essence of who you are, that you were destined to rise above their doubts. It's easy to fall into the trap of despair when the world seems set against you. When those voices echo in your mind, reminding you of your failures and shortcomings, it takes incredible strength to silence them. But that's what makes you extraordinary. You didn't allow their negativity to define you. Instead, you took their doubts and turned them into fuel. You transformed their skepticism into motivation. Every time they thought they had you down for the count, you found a way to push back. You didn't just survive, you thrived. Think about the moments that brought you here. The times you felt like giving up, the nights you lay awake wondering if it was all worth it. Those moments shaped you, carved out your resilience. Each setback was a lesson, each obstacle an opportunity to grow. You learned that failure isn't the end, it's simply a stepping stone on the path to success. You found strength in vulnerability, courage in uncertainty, and clarity in chaos. You embraced the struggle, and in doing so, you became stronger than you ever imagined possible. You know, it's a powerful thing to recognize that those challenges have not only tested you, but have also revealed your true character. The road to strength isn't paved with ease and comfort. It's forged in the fires of adversity. When life threw its hardest punches, you stood your ground. You took the hits, felt the pain, but you didn't let it crush you. Instead, you used it to build yourself up. Each bruise was a badge of honor, a reminder of your survival, a testament to your indomitable spirit. They thought you would beg, but you walked away with your head held high. You didn't just leave their negativity behind. You carried with you the knowledge that you are more powerful than you realize. You discovered the depths of your own strength, the richness of your own spirit. You learned to trust yourself, to believe in your dreams, and to chase them relentlessly. With every step you took away from their judgment, you moved closer to your own truth, your own purpose. You became the architect of your destiny. This journey hasn't been easy. There were times when doubt crept in, when you questioned if you were truly capable of achieving your dreams. But you pushed through the pain and the uncertainty. You found allies along the way, friends, mentors, and even strangers who saw the light in you when you couldn't see it yourself. These connections fueled your fire and reminded you that you are never alone in your struggles. You forged bonds with those who uplift you, who inspire you, who remind you that the journey is just as important as the destination. As you walked away from those who underestimated you, you didn't just leave behind their negativity. You also shed the weight of their expectations. You realized that you are the only one who gets to define your worth. You began to embrace your uniqueness, your individuality, and all the quirks that make you who you are. You learned that your path may look different from others, but that doesn't make it any less valid. Your journey is yours alone, and it's beautiful, just as it is. In those moments of solitude, when you reflected on how far you've come, you saw the power of perseverance. You recognized that every scar tells a story, every tear holds a lesson. You understood that the moments of struggle didn't diminish your worth, they amplified it. They showed you what you're made of and revealed the true essence of your character. You became resilient, unyielding, and unapologetic in your pursuit of greatness. You learned to turn pain into purpose, to take adversity and channel it into something transformative. You began to see that those who once doubted you were merely a reflection of their own fears. Their inability to see your potential was a limitation of their perspective, not a reflection of your reality. You grew to understand that their thoughts held no power over you unless you allowed them to. You chose to reclaim that power for yourself, to rise above their negativity, and to walk away stronger than ever. Each day is a new opportunity to reinforce that strength, to build upon the foundation you've created. When you wake up, remind yourself of the battles you've fought and the victories you've claimed. Remind yourself of the promises you made to yourself to keep pushing forward, no matter how daunting the path may seem. The world can be harsh, but your resilience is a shield that protects your dreams and aspirations. As you move forward, remember that this is just the beginning. The world is filled with challenges, but you've already proven that you can overcome them. You've shown that you have the tenacity to rise above, to defy the odds, and to forge your own path. Let that be your guiding light as you navigate the twists and turns ahead. Embrace the uncertainty, knowing that you have the strength within you to face whatever comes your way. Believe in yourself fiercely, trust in your abilities, and don't let anyone's doubt seep into your soul. You are a force to be reckoned with, a warrior in your own right. The journey may be long, and there may be setbacks along the way, but remember that you've already conquered so much. You are capable of achieving greatness, and you owe it to yourself to chase your dreams with all the passion and determination you can muster. And when those moments of doubt do come, as they inevitably will, remember that they are just moments. They are not your reality. You have a reservoir of strength within you that can overcome even the darkest of days. Dig deep and pull from that well of resilience. You've been through so much already, and you've come out on the other side stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out those who lift you up, who believe in you even when you struggle to believe in yourself. Your tribe is essential. These are the people who remind you of your worth and who celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. They'll walk beside you, encouraging you to keep going, to keep striving, to keep reaching for your dreams. So, when you encounter those who try to bring you down, those who wish to see you fail, remember this: you are stronger than their doubts, bolder than their expectations, and far more capable than they could ever imagine. You are not defined by their thoughts, but by your actions and the heart that beats within you. Walk away from the negativity. Walk towards your dreams, and walk with the unwavering belief that you are destined for greatness. Now is your time to shine. You've weathered the storms, faced the fears, and emerged with a heart full of courage and a spirit unbreakable. You owe it to yourself to pursue your passions, to embrace the journey, and to stand firm in the knowledge that you are enough. Every step you take forward is a testament to your strength and determination. Don't ever lose sight of that. In conclusion, they thought you would beg, but instead, you walked away stronger. You turned their doubts into determination, their negativity into strength. You are a living testament to resilience and the power of belief. Keep moving forward, keep shining your light, and never forget that you have the power to create your own destiny. Stand tall, walk strong, and let the world see the incredible person you have become. Your journey is yours, and it's just getting started.